Hello, welcome to C 159 or 259. This is a class is green infrastructures. I'm your instructor. Today, we are going to learn about briefly the syllabus and few introductory idea about green infrastructures. So the class objective that I'm going to show you right now is basically the first thing I'm going to cover is the instructor, that's me, why I teach this class and how my research has contributed to this class, and that then will explain a little bit about syllabus. You have the PDF, access to the PDF. But what I'm going to show you here very quickly is that the objectives and mostly the textbooks and gradings, we can do well in this class. But I encourage you to read the syllabus in the PDF and let me know if you have any questions on that. And the third thing is that we will learn about green infrastructures and how that is used and why it's useful for urban sustainability. And then we'll learn about what is exactly green infrastructures and how that, how was the benefit of the green infrastructures. After that, we'll start getting to learn about the fundamentals. So very briefly, we'll learn about the fundamental design of green infrastructure so that you know what principle is used for different functions. And then we'll look at different types of green infrastructures, which will help you to understand how to use one of these or how to use some of these for different need. At the end, you learn about we'll apply all these things that learn for a real world problem, which is wildfire, and how green infrastructures can be used for wildfire issues.